guys, I'm Ree. Thank you for clicking and watching my channel. This is my first ever YouTube video, so I'm a little like, but thank you. Okay, so let me just give you a bit of a rundown. I'm going to be talking about mostly fashion. That's what I'm mostly into, fashion, lifestyle, a little bit of beauty, a little bit of like skincare, things like that, but mostly I'm fashion, and also I love home decor, so you'll see that incorporated in my videos. I will be uploading once a week on Sundays, so hit subscribe and, you know, look out for them. I would really appreciate that. So I'm going to start with my current favorites today. Okay, so let's get started. So my first favorite, actually I'll start with the one I'm wearing right now. This is from Aritzia. It's a sweater dress, but I wear it as a sweater. I usually tuck it into my jeans. I have it like hanging off my shoulder, and you know, it's just like super casual but like funky. It has this really nice gray and this blue lining just right here. Sorry, I'm just looking at the viewfinder, just like looking at myself because I'm feeling myself, you know. I'm not annoying, I swear. So then, yeah, so I just have this. I really like it. I'll do a cutaway as well, just so you can see it, like how I pair things together. But yeah, this is my number one. It's very good quality. I got it on sale. If they do have it, I'll link it down below. I think it may still be on sale. I'll let you know. I got this in a size 1. Sometimes Aritzia does sizes like 1, 2, and 3, and then other times they do like zeros or extra smalls. They just start like that, but I usually try to get this smaller size one. It's 1, 2, 3, like, and it's from the Wilfred line, I believe, so I'll link it down below. So next we have this cute little cami. It's actually lingerie. I got it when I was traveling over the summer, and so I never used to wear it, but then one day I'm like, you know what, why don't I just throw this on? So I'll show you how I style it. It is sheer, as you can see, but it has this pretty little, it's lace, it's really pretty, it's very dainty and feminine, and I love wearing like camis. I love wearing it under like cardigans, under leather jackets, everything like that. So I've styled it with like this brown sweater that you'll see in my cutaways, and also a leather jacket, that it just kind of gives it a little sex appeal. And yeah, that's just how I like wearing it. It is sheer, so you can't wear a bra with it. You can't wear, even I tried nipple covers, you can't even do it, but I just have like something that will make sure it like covers. Plus, if you know, if it shows, it shows, right? Next I have these corduroy, these pink corduroy pants. I got them from Zara. I actually haven't worn them yet, but every so often I just try them on, and I just can't wait to wear them. They're a wide leg, as you can see. They're this really nice pink. I don't think they'll have them anymore, but I'll try to find them. I got them on sale. And yeah, so I usually wear, like when I style it, I am planning to wear it soon, but I would style it with like a white cami, cream, gray, like turtlenecks and things like that. But I do like these. They fit so well. Sometimes Zara just gets it right. Sometimes they do too much, and sometimes they just get it right. And this time, they got it right. So on to another pair of pants. These are my Levi's. I should have done them out. These are my Levi's. These are wedgie jeans. So I got it's like this kind of blackish, grayish, like it's more so black denim. And so they're the wedgies, the Levi's, you can see right there. They have a bit of distressing in the leg. I'll also show them on. And yeah, they fit really well. They're high-waisted. They look great. They also look great. I usually sometimes will wear it with this hoodie, not hoodie, it's like sweater, wear it with this and just tuck it in and just like be on my way. And I just love it. It fits very well, very flattering. You really can't go wrong with Levi wedgies. I also have a light color that I wear in the summer, but yeah, I just love them. Ooh, okay, I'll actually show you what I wear everything with a lot of the time. These are my MAJE boots. They're MAJE, I got them from Capezio. but they're like the brand Vagabond, yes. And so this was a hassle to get. I got them during the winter, like months ago. And it was the hardest thing. Like there was a line. People were waiting outside for these shoes. They're just like these perfect little sock boots. I'll show them again, but I'll show them on too. They're perfect little sock boots. They're this like really easy to clean material, and they just go with everything. They're perfect. They're pretty dirty right now, but they're perfect in every way. And I love them. They look good with everything, and I could still wear them into the spring, like fall. Like they're just like good all around shoes, and the point on them is perfect. The heel on them, perfect. You don't feel like, for me, I'm 5'8", and so when I wear like heels a little too tall, I just feel a little like, am I doing too much? Sometimes you can feel like that. Tall girls, okay, well, I consider myself a tall girl, but you can understand. It's just, I don't know, it's just too much, and sometimes your feet are hurting, it's just too much. So these ones are 2 inches, and they don't hurt your feet. You can walk in them all day, and they're super cute. I love them. You know when I feel like sometimes you get these items in your wardrobe that you don't know what you did without them before? Those are one of them. Okay, I have a few items left. On to MAJE. I love MAJE. I love this store. I got this on sale as well. I think they still have it online. I'll link it down below. I got this beautiful fur coat. It will be difficult to see like this, so I'll try it on. Also, everything will be linked down below. This beautiful brown is coming up a little ready. It does have it's like a rich brown. So this really nice fur coat. It has like this detailing around the arms. It has no collar. It's collarless, and it's very long lined. This, I feel like $1 million when I wear it. I just feel like $1 million. I love it. It's so warm, it's so cozy, and it's just so flattering, and I get tons of compliments when I wear it. People, the other day I was wearing it and someone came running after me to ask me where it's from. So, you know, I'm sure that always feels good when people want to know where your things are from. Faux fur. It's faux fur. It's not fur. It's faux fur. Okay? I have a dog, okay? Okay, and so on to my last, I have a few fashion favorites, but this is kind of my last fashion, is my pride and joy, my number one. It's my CELINE bag. This is a CELINE belt bag. I'm smiling because I can't contain myself, okay? I just got it recently, but this is my number one love. It's the belt bag, like I said. I got it in the light taupe color. This is the light taupe. They have a few different colors, and it's in the size micro. So there's nano, which is very small. It's a good weekend bag. This is micro. I use this for work. And then there's a mini. Yes, there's a mini. Battery exhausted. Hi guys. Sorry about that. My camera died, and so now I'm filming on my phone. So technical difficulties, day one, obviously. But I just wanted to finish this off, get it up for you. So I'm just gonna finish on my phone. I hope that's okay. So as I was saying, this is my new CELINE bag. It's the CELINE belt bag, and I said it's in the micro. So yes, so I love it. It has a little compartment at the back. I don't use it at all. It's very tiny. It's like suede lining. Nice gold hardware detailing, and it says CELINE on the little buckles. Has a nice little strap on it, removable obviously. And then what you do, you press it in to open it, and then you just have, it's like all inside. There's one little compartment inside, but it fits enough. It fits my wallet, it fits, I usually have a little makeup bag that I carry for work. It fits like all that you need to. It's like just a little bag inside. As you can see, I have some things in there right now. But yeah, it's like perfect. It's very nice. Some people, I've definitely heard that they find the little, like how to, like you have to put it under this little loop. They find that annoying. I don't really find it annoying, but sometimes I do just close it up and carry it just like this. I'll hold it in my hand just like this, or I'll close it over the little strap just like that. But I do personally like to put it under. I don't go in my bag too often. Like, who does, right? You're not going in it every 5 minutes. So I usually do it properly. But yeah, this is my bag and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It's very expensive, but sometimes you just gotta treat yourself. Sometimes you just gotta, you know. And for me, I like to shop at stores that are a bit more affordable, like, you know, your Ritzias, your Clamonicos, your, you know, Zara's. But I think for bags, it's kind of nice to splurge a little bit. Get like a really good quality one. Get one that you just love, because I think it does complete the outfit. And this completes mine. I love it. So that's it for fashion. I'm gonna continue on with just a few extra like non-fashion favorites. One, I'm gonna start with this actually. These are my packing cubes. I got them from Amazon. They're not too expensive. They have some cactus on it. Cacti, I always get confused. Cacti on it. So it comes with different compartments, or different sizes. I think there's 3 of these ones that you put your clothing in. And the quality, I would say, is good. I would say the quality is good. I'll link it down below. As one for your shoes. So you put your shoes in this one. And then you could put your undergarments, like your panties, your bras, your swimwear in this. And then it has one for your like dirty laundry. So it's like clothes is just like this. It's this waterproof material. It's pink, has little cacti on it, super cute. I love it, and it fits really nicely into my luggage bag. I feel like I don't live at home anymore, but I tend to come home on the weekend sometimes, and so even just like packing in my duffel bag, I like to just have things separated just so I know where everything is, because there's nothing worse than just searching and searching and searching for your favorite panty or whatever it is, your favorite little tank top. So those are my favorite. I'll link them down below, as I said, as everything else. And also I have this it's called Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. It's so nice. Oh, it's on. I have a bit of lipstick on, like a lip liner, so I shouldn't have done that. But yeah, it smells really, really good. It's like this nice caramel light feeling. I do love this so much. It's very, very good. I tend to use my Bite Beauty one. I'll link that down below. I can't remember the name, but it's in a little wind up tube, and I use that at night usually, and I have this one on me during the day. It's a great size. It has like a little pink tint to it. I can't say anything bad about it. I love it. Then I have this Sage, it's called the Sage Best Breath, and it's this like breath mist. It's really good at just neutralizing your breath. It doesn't leave you with this like overpowerful minty breath. It's just like if you ate something that, you know, obviously doesn't smell great, you just had lunch, you just use this one spray, just neutralizes your breath, leaves it like nice and minty but not overpowering, and it doesn't, you know, do anything too much to your mouth. And it's like really compact. I keep it in my bag, and yeah, I really like it. It's also this really cute little green bottle. I think they have another one too, but this is the one I like a little bit more. So that's it. I also have this nice phone case. I have the iPhone 8. My phone case, it has cherry blossoms on it. It's clear. It's a nice, like, you know, it moves around a little bit, and it's pink and it's really pretty. I like when the Apple sign shows on the phone. So I have the Apple sign, not too much, but just enough, you know, just really plain, simple, but pretty. So that's definitely something I'm loving. I also got this from Amazon, so I'll link it down below. And lastly, I have, you know, these glasses. You know, just feeling cute, feeling great. These are like super trend right now. Everyone's wearing them. I think it started off with, I just remember Kim Kardashian, that episode where Kanye is telling her, okay, you need to get rid of all your big glasses, tiny glasses are in. And after that, I think everyone just like jumped on it really hard. Obviously there's people before, but that's when it started. And so these are super trend, super cute. I got them from Bone Look. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.